Hi guys, we are here today at Lom Shatri. It's a beautiful outdoor and we're really glad to have with us somebody who runs the place, and I'm really glad to have with us today JOHANAN LYNGDOH. Well, Joe, thank you for having us at your beautiful space. So Joe, tell us something about what we see around Kanika Jaka Jungpi.
Kani kakerteng ka yung basa dong musa.
Okay.
Abin ka la dana dok macam senam.
Alright.
Te nang susdang. Te kita kita kibriu na po sor na po na barma kibriu kibawan ki kuaban wan bam pengat jatendong ne jingta tendong kibolong healthy ma kibolong kita kot kakya ma kini kilong ma kawang ka bahay tak ing am yong ta mo tenga pada long stonat adu mensuai kin long kwa ban le kini adu mentala atun sunrus nam kwa le kini te di mentang ayo lat pat kin le hi.
So I will leave that to you. Do tell us, why is it different from what the dishes that we usually make? Kaya ka ba compare? Kaya ba pala?
Ka ba kawai te ba pala ka long ba haying i shep yu kiku mo mentang i shep na kisit.
Okay.
Deh, kita kelaro ko way siya ba.
Which is why all these bamboos ay ba pila prepare mo you. Te kamut kani ki ong kaja bashat jatendong JINGBAM sit ni pi khot mo ni ki.
Ikut ka namar ki don la ka jong pi siya po nong po ki khot ako moy shani ki khot ako moy te kilabon siya po war ki khot ako moy te
shani pada ki ong no.
Ki khot ka tangksem.
Tangksem. Okay.
Kam ta kan. Ani tendong set tendong si ong ta.
Okay.
Nong nala kajong mo ki kom dialect ni ka po nomor ba ala ka reflex ko district la on ko moy ni po garu kila laban on ko moy tingi sini ong tangsam ne shatandong take
te kata shwa bangin yasdang. And before we get on to knowing what is it about making a dish with the bamboo or jingshet tendong mo, tell us ke kini ke ba hi mot ban shet ka jingta ayu ka
kini ka kerteng ka cita ni ka kawang mo da ka French kot yam leaf ni te shimra usla shim bitang tu dieng weekend mo ni ka kawang te long sket bang ba kawang ka bang mo tung te mentang ko persang dai ko do jam siar.
Okay, do jam siar bat kawang.
Do jam siar kawang tai tutap den tu kle kini ki jimber ta ka snam siar ka siar kasi ka khambang ban ni ka siar pham mo siar pham nomor kham e do siar kasi
broiler ki ke bro khai te ka compare nei
compare ka met do ka snam ko bang kani ken te ba finishet ba kawang le ka mambang shu ti khamtam e fisher asit kami su ka i ka
flavor na kani
asit ko la mi ti da ka pair ken
ti ka kini ki jai sit bade pi pendon kam ki e kemot any bamboos ni
ngilam pendon kam kuno tamba amdi ti sit rit bade sit temla kan ka sit kot ka sit ini urnya ma kot ni sit tamba ngi pendon kam ka sit kanu sit tamba ka bahe tamba ka de ban stang ma da
okay
kemudian ban reben thanru kemudian ban long stang thanru kom long ra te kani ka biang ba kani ka i kan ka jing tho jun ka sit bahkan i biang te namar teng pi thang to ka berben kala ban ing ka sit kala ing tamba ka jing ta spo kam i da
okay so job Tenta kini ki to nginyas dang kata ka. I'm really excited to see, and I do hope that our viewers who've never seen how these dishes are being prepared, well, today is your lucky day. Tejo?
Okay, ngin stang sudah kena senam mah. Nih senam. Kelihatan ni peliang mah. Nanti. Tuan ai sunu kini ka dot jam mah. Kelihatan sunu dot jam. Kelihatan sunu dot jam makan ni. Tu ai sunu sherbet. Ini senang kendong dan judul thau ra ini su antak ni met pat.
And that's the best kind of cooking, mo. So thau hi kat no ko ai.
Tap. Den ti skle ni.
Kan ka tung tap ru phi ai barokhat ni.
Ai ra barokhat ni kle sha.
That.
Kalau nak kajong ka rukom shed mo.
Rukom shed mo kasong rat kum ka jingkwa jong kum nu pikwa ban la I think the pikwa bakan long strong flavor jong tum top. Maybe you can add a little more.
Shim ni ka sit mata ngin tap cho ka wang.
Okay. Takan ni ka sit fit top na po ni kum no ni.
Mem non kam tap ngi tap tang alor. Tap bakan ka sla ni na de ki sit bon tap set tu. Long tabang ngi set pada hadian kan. Di de por baset empat long ra na ma ba pani cho ka wang. Pani cho ka do ta kala mi tu tram tak teng kala ban kan antep tu. Ti teng kala ban patheiru ta kala pressure pra ka tu ka jinghau kan. Tang tap cho ka wang ma. Tap tu. Tap mah.
Okay. Ta.
Udah.
Ini.
Tap ya kan ni. Ini apa tang rusun bau. Ju ai piat lah kawang mah.
Oh, kila tang rusun bau.
Tang rusun dah set anu kawang jadi ben ai piat. Tu adap tu. Tangan kelak syokan. Ta asyik JINGBAM dia tu.
So as you can see, the bamboo now is being stuffed and filled. Firstly with the yam, which were chopped into pieces, and then the dry fish, which was already roasted, and some chopped garlic and chilies. And I'm told that whenever we do use yam, Joe prefers that onions should not be used. No?
Yes.
It kind of tampers with the taste a little bit. And then with that, you've just seen that the chicken innards, which were already infused with mustard oil. And so they're all here now, and we'll see the magic works after it's being kept in the fireplace, right?
Yes. Add salt mah mulu.
Yes, there was the seasoning.
Ya, laisin laiwat deh. Ya. Taruh komsen.
I come no laisin laiwat, I come no.
Kamulu.
So that is something really nice. I mean, we all have, our beliefs, and that is something which, Joe, I think you believe in, your very idea of preparing food this way is that you pass on the lineage to the younger generation so that we don't lose touch with this. And even the way of adding salt has been like, giving it, putting
traditional,
it, 3 times, laisin laiwat. That's what we say in KHASI.
Thinking you set na ini ended long, not so tight, but just to cover it. Mom, you mana kan?
So this is ready. Bynta pada Joe. Pila you kini pentap ha po.
Ding ya depan ya.
So everything is so authentic. There's no use of the gas at all.
Yes.
We have other kinds of fire, and with that, the traditional way of cooking, this will go into the fireplace. So, shall we proceed?
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Well, Joe, we have proceeded to your fireplace. Bynta, jing is at the ong the kai ka ba fin le pada Bynta.
Bynta ingin sang mantap noi kan ni ka tendong, ka badan kawang do jam ni. Thì cái bu nó tây thì cả đinh ru cầm đây là bận ẹ than ru nó cái bận đằng quang gần bahkan iben jai nama kawang kadang kamu gitu ka temperature long babiang kan kam di ban ai ẹ ka ding nama ai ẹ ru la ban su ka buit ti kawang tu ka ban jai bet nama ka do jam si aru kham ẹ ang thì kan iben jai thì sibit la tepat skoi ka tondong pres kham ai kham ẹ pada kan ta tepat ni Om tu su siang kami.
Tapi kan ni kan simpor kan no ekrai bakan I.
and kani tang like 4 minute sai ada slow food mo ko slow food amdi ra ka ta ke ba step ban shed not fast food the slow food ni kadang suki ka tadang bang te
you know all the people who normally like to have healthy food, they believe in slow food, slow cooking, which is something really nice. So this is a slow cooking food processing system that we're seeing firsthand being made in a very ethnic way using the bamboo. And while we wait for the yam, which is being slow cooked. Joe, tell us, what is it that you're going to show?
Okay, this is another flavor. Kadi ka ju i le bat kawang hi yam leaf tamba pen op deng le kutung
okay
ni kutung storm kutung bombe ni presh ni po boy kutung se te kum ju hi ka jinlong tambang nga pada ni shermit im ni batung hi to pen kamu ni shermit im aja kau tu shermit dung tu ngale ka doser ke uni pangale khamper do shermit im uni kham dakawai pat ka jimper ka jingbang te phile uba im bot utu bola dung ke la grind machine la per ri te ada uni ta kle lang bol sun ken ta pat ka wa ta ta hi
Teka usually uni shinrai im diki pendon kam no da men sound da the first time but there we're going to see the root of the turmeric being used for a dish. So usually we get we use turmeric, the spice, the ready-made spice, but today I think we're going to get a really different flavor. Namar ba ngi pendon kam da shinrai im nei.
Tu ai tang mai lut iken tong ai bitang khlan tu ni am te ai su ni tu
som ken
ta huni
tum bala da thang nei
bla da thang shwa pan khoi tu de sa dum ke ni to mata da dung ni tamba khlam da pen luat than ken ro ta ban biang iken banyu yok tha yok tung mo
kade
kham stana ni ra yok tha
nai pen long ni nai pen luat than yu dai
ti menta ngan ot sa ni kawang
okay
kawang ta ta yang kawang mo đến bao nhiêu nè em tụi nó cái kinh cho của bọn kêu cũng vui
rồi
ai xí mulu cũng bao nhiêu em tụi lấy sen lấy quạt đấy
lấy sen lấy quạt mu
mà bây giờ mới liên ai gặp tai
So today I think we'll get to see the difference between how the yam and the dried fish turn out being cooked, being slow cooked in the bamboo. Because usually hayeng tingi shu wood hagas. Kanika.
Bang re set ini jingbang am.
Makini ka jingshet. Karukom bam hi kabade ban shet kumni. Tamba we have we don't really have the advantage of a fireplace right now in our most of the homes we normally have a gas stove with a modern way of cooking, but this is ideally how food has been prepared for generations, and thanks to Joe for preserving how it's made. A local lad from Shillong who's continuing with the way our forefathers have been making the food, and kani kadai ba no kiba ki generation hadien ro kin nang yo pateng no pakin tip kan ki shat ki long non dai ka ro kom shat dong
klan de kani ma
hoi
ka tei ka met to nya set kani ro nya set mono malash ba bu hading tu sa ai tin hundit tok.
It looks like it gives a very warm feeling. They about yo sure no kini ban shong to pay and pet kini ki jing shat kumni. I think even our audience would be having a really a time taking them back to those times when we never really had nice modern day kitchen, and this was how our forefathers shong ki thukana ki shong ki shat kalong. This is a place where people gather around in the family nay shong the pay ki shat kalong jakaban
Ki rap lang ken bro khoi long gidan benta lang ha
ki badan hiyo ki dan benta lang kadai ka jakaban shong thukana ki dang shat nay
hoi tementang ni le skhoi ni le pa dok tung perso
mo
am kutung perso skon
kutung perso
ta pade besat apo slavet mshat ni kan
mshat sit pia ban thap usla
mshat bi aslam tu
Di jo kan ni ka tung tap pade fin hap thang shan dei kanika jing ing ka jing yong jong kanika sit nei has nothing to do with the cooking process nei hapo no ne yo don kibrio kimot kat nang kham ing ka sit ka de ban kiu ing shjrong ka nang i ne kom no
teng teng am kala ing ka si ka te am spo khami era kalong kom taru nomor ba khashong pi ra ka suki ka ding kum tu am kum ne tika ka bambe ka ding the suki ka ding tika bambe suki tambam i era spo kam khurite tamba ka kanika ding ka di bonong ko ka te mo kata kham he hendet kala byang mo kata ka ini ka jinta spo ro ka i
the jo Bynta kanika for this next dish nay for the you tung fila thang and you're using ginger turmeric tang kini ki ingredients pa fi use ne
ho tang kini ben dan lu ai su jayuro
hoi
tu kan ki common add flavor ma
hoi
te ki tamba ki JINGBAM ki ba taste na pat ken
hoi
kam don ni era ki ba thit na po yo ne na hat tu
hoi hoi
ki ba khedina po per ne
hoi
taken po kape ki ba
hi thong hi mo hoi ti kani ru nga kwa ban te phin thap kum no fi use la u si ni ne kum no
ya mam ni te de ka sla la shing
le sla la shing
sing hi pare slas ing ha du slas ing the mo sing bo per gen ba khedna po shlong bre
hoi
te ka le du ta
hoi te ka mo fi phi thap apo
em long te mo shu bo ron to ka ski ka na i ka ni ka tur lang i lang thì là đây por xây cái này vẫn bám thì từ đó long bám.
It's been ages since I think I've had steamed rice from the fireplace.
Tôi là ai chịu biết nè,
Upiat pada kadutali ay way artali
we artali we bahe we berit ai tongkat kum ka jington kam jung iu kan kutung tang tok ta
thì bảo ông lại xiết đã cho khăn điat
asu sim
ai sẽ khăn điat
ta khăn điat
keeping up with your beliefs all right done with the seasoning here then
chop nó for you
okay let me hold control. Penir wak sunang ban antat hindi. No, I think basically all our dishes we don't have measurements, and I think the best part about our state is that we have a lot of indigenous dishes that people prepare according to their place of stay, and currently we are here at Omroy in Riboy, and this is what it's well known for: food prepared in the bamboo shoot, like JINGBAM tandong. It can be food that is based for your meal or your snacks too, for that matter, right? This is the moment of truth. We have, so you've got these bamboos, and what did you do to them? They're like trays.
Yes, it's like a buffet, no?
Yeah. So we've got them lined up with bamboos, and well, I have been waiting for the dishes that I'm about to taste for the very first time. Here goes. This is what we had made initially.
I think so. It's dry fish kaktung.
All right. He knows there's no tag, but Joe knows the best. He's the one who made. You see, I think he checks out the bamboo.
Yes, that one is
this
chicken.
is hotter. So this is
Chicken.
the chicken innards with yam,
Yam
right?
leaf, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, let's just.
Oh, it's still hot.
It's still hot, and let's just get the aroma from here. Wow, this is awesome. This is awesome.
So shall I
yes,
pour
yes,
this?
yes.
So that you can taste.
Yes. My takeaway would be 2 or 3 of these bamboos that I'm going to be taking home and try out some bamboo dishes. Wow. Nothing beats this very ethnic and a dish that reflects our very culture, right, Joe? I think 1 second, let me just make this adjustment. There.
Okay.
Right. Isn't just this so it's just, yeah, right. It feels so warm, having food out of a bamboo leaf.
So you can
And there goes the dish. Well, so this is something I have been waiting for a long time. I've never had yam and chicken and nuts prepared in a bamboo shoot. So, Johan, the smell, the aroma is absolutely bang on.
Hope it tastes good. Oh.
This is awesome.
Thank you so much.
This is awesome. Well, the fact that I have just had this really awesome tasting dish on my palate, but we have other dishes remaining to be tasted. Shall I hand this over to you?
Yes, true.
This is the dried
fish and
dried fish.
Kutung se ma.
Right. So
Yeah. Kutung se and
So we have pot in here. I love the fact that you've just made a carving out of this bamboo and
Roughly.
yeah, it's been roughly made, but then it serves the purpose, right?
Yes.
So this was the dried
Fish.
Dried
and
fish.
yam leaf.
Yum. Wow. So see, let me just give you a glimpse of how this would look. All right. So that's, let's put in a little more so that our viewers can also see some dried leaves and yam. Oh, lovely smell. Oh, we have, yes, Laithan, we have been waiting for this time since the time we arrived here. So, while we get on with our tasting, I'm yet to taste another dish which you had prepared.
This is coconut leaf.
You know, this is not prepared in bamboo, as you can see. What is the leaf
Ginger leaf.
So this is ginger leaf, and this was kept around the fireplace, not inside the fire, right? Well, now we can have a sneak peek with this dish to get this kutung cooked. There's the right amount of heat from the chili, right amount of heat from the ginger. The fact that you said imjudan measurement, you know, the fact that you never tasted, you've just chopped everything and kept everything there.
Yes.
But coming out so well, this is really awesome. I'm so happy that, you know, I'm so glad to be here today.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I look forward to having you again at Food Diaries. I think there is a whole lot of stories that can be told, you know, from the food that is being prepared this way, right? And thank you for being with us, Joe. We look forward to having you with us again at Food Diaries, and I'm sure our viewers would also be excited for something new, exciting coming on from this kind of food preparation. And with that, I would like to sit and devour whatever is on my plate. From Food Diaries, do join us back for our next episode. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. It's me, Abba, winding up, and that's bye-bye.